An excellent alternative to immigrants searching for jobs in Canada is to become a freelancer. It can be pretty hard to find on-site jobs, and sometimes, the pay may not be commensurate enough. On the contrary, freelance jobs in Canada are easy to tweak to your standards. You can determine your work time and the pay you would want to receive per job. Most importantly, freelancing in Canada is a great way to save money from transportation costs and automobile maintenance. In this video, we are going to be talking about the requirements of being a freelancer in Canada, the tax implication, as well as the top freelance jobs in Canada. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provide 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing. Feel free to ask your question via the comment section and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. Basically, to become a freelancer, you only need to be excellent at what you do, and freelance jobs in Canada are not an exception. Here are the essential things you need to become a freelancer in Canada. 1. A residential permit to stay in Canada. 2. A skill in any field that you can confidently freelance in. And lastly, a strong network of other freelancers in the same field as you. Note that you do not need to have a registered business to work as a freelancer in Canada. However, if you feel the need to make a corporation out of your freelancing career, you can do that whenever you deem fit. Tax implications of working a freelancing job in Canada. Generally, freelancers are seen as self-employed persons. Therefore, they must pay tax in accordance with the guidelines of the country they reside in. For freelancers living in Canada, there are tax implications that they must meet. First of all, any income you earn in Canada should be reported to the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. You will need to fill a Form T2125, that is, a statement of business or professional activities. Once you do this, the CRA will begin to deduct tax from your earnings. For self-employed persons in Canada, taxes are not deducted per each earning. Instead, you will pay your tax as a lump sum at the end of the year. Importantly, note that part of the percentage calculated from your earnings as payable tax will be remitted into your Canada Pension Plan, CPP, contributions. Popular freelance jobs in Canada. Writing. From time immemorial, writing has been one of the commonest types of freelancing jobs. With the recent business and digital marketing trend, writing has become an essential tool for many businesses to market themselves. Moreover, thousands of people out there have ideas, inspirations, stories, discoveries, or research they'll love to put into writing. All of these create an excellent space for writers to find their feet, especially freelance writers. Photography. If you are already skilled in photography, you can consider taking freelance photography jobs in Canada. The best thing to do as a photographer is to find a niche in the photography space. Also, you will need to invest in the proper photography gear if your pictures must come out professional. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the most promising freelance jobs in Canada. This is because all businesses are leveraging digital technology to promote their businesses. Usually, business owners hire experts to do this, and they are paid handsomely in return. The beautiful thing is you can engage in freelance digital marketing where your clients only have to contact you and give you specific details of what they'll want you to achieve. Design. With the rapid embrace of technology all over the world, more and more freelance designers are needed for many reasons. Granted that, there are many things you can specialize in as a freelance designer. Graphics and logo designs, web design, app UI and UX design, product design are only a few out of the many design fields you can focus on as a freelancer in Canada. Just anything. Although most freelance jobs in Canada are biased towards persons in technology, you can do just anything as a freelancer. So long as it is feasible for you to work remotely, without your client being physically with you, then you can become a freelancer in that field. Transcribing, translation, web or app development, sound production, consulting, guidance and counseling, tutoring, and so on, are fields you can explore for freelance jobs in Canada. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources, check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.